Need a voltage tester but not sure which one actually fits your work? Stay to the end, because the difference between the basic kits and the top model is bigger than it first appears. Starting in 5th place is the Sperry kit. It combines a non-contact voltage detector with a GFCI outlet tester, so on paper it looks like a useful package for basic home electrical checks. The detector gives both sound and a bright all-around warning, while the outlet tester can check common wiring conditions and trip a GFCI. The crush-resistant housing is also reassuring when the tool spends its life in a crowded toolbox. But this is where the limits show. Detection starts at 50 volts, the Cat 4 rating stops at 600 volts, and the outlet tester is limited to 120 volt receptacles. Compared with the models ahead, it also offers fewer convenience features. This kit makes sense for simple residential checks and occasional use. But if you want a more capable outlet testing package, the next option feels better rounded. Links to every product in this review at the best available price are in the description below the video. In 4th place is the Klein outlet tester kit. Like the Sperry, it gives you 2 tools, but the non-contact tester carries a stronger Cat 4 1000 volt rating. The outlet tester checks 6 common wiring conditions and can test GFCI operation. Both tools are rated for a 6.6 foot drop, which makes the kit feel more suitable for regular job site use than the model behind it. The trade-off is that the voltage pen still starts at 50 volts, gives no numeric reading, and has no flashlight. The outlet tester is also limited to standard 110 or 125 volt receptacles and cannot identify every possible wiring fault. For homeowners, maintenance work, or anyone who checks outlets often, this is a practical choice. But if your priority is a simple, trusted voltage pen rather than a 2-piece kit, the next model is more focused. If this comparison is helping, give the video a like and subscribe to the channel. Taking 3rd place is the Fluke VoltAlert. It is a straightforward voltage pen built around simple operation, a strong safety rating, and a continuous self-test that shows the tool is working. That self-check is the main advantage here. You also get visual and audible warnings, a silent mode, and long typical battery life. Compared with the 2 kits behind it, the Fluke feels more focused and easier to grab for a quick live wire check. The biggest limitation is its 90 volt lower threshold. That is fine for many household circuits, but it makes the tester less versatile than the 2 models ahead, both of which can detect from 12 volts. It also lacks a flashlight and meaningful water protection. Choose this one if you value simplicity, brand confidence, and clear status indication more than extra features. But for lower voltage work and better signal feedback, the next tester offers more. In 2nd place is the Kaiweets tester. This is where the feature set becomes much richer, with low voltage detection, adjustable sensitivity, a flashlight, and an LCD that shows relative signal strength. That display is genuinely useful when you are tracing a conductor or trying to understand whether the signal is getting stronger or weaker. Compared with the Fluke, it reaches much lower voltage and gives you more feedback than a simple light and beep. But the screen does not provide an exact voltage reading, and the signal can change depending on how close the tester is to the wire. Its Cat 4 rating is also limited to 600 volts, and no specific water or drop rating was provided. This model is a strong fit for users who want more information without moving to a full meter. Still, if you want the best mix of sensitivity, safety, and job site durability, the top-ranked model is the better choice. In 1st place is the Klein dual range tester. It combines the wide 12 to 1000 volt range of the Kaiweets with a stronger Cat 4 1000 volt rating and a much tougher enclosure. The 2 selectable ranges help reduce unwanted sensitivity, while the clear light and sound patterns make it easy to understand what the tester is seeing. Add the independent flashlight, silent operation, automatic shutoff, and startup self-test, and it feels built for real daily use. No non-contact tester is perfect. This one still cannot show an exact voltage. It works only with AC, and the high sensitivity mode may react to nearby energized conductors. You also need to select the correct range yourself. But for electricians, maintenance work, and serious home users, this is the strongest all-around option in the group. It offers the best balance of low voltage detection, safety rating, durability, and practical features. Check the links in the description to see the top products and current buying options. And if you found this comparison useful, like the video and subscribe for more clear, practical tool reviews.